Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to move to bottom or top of any web pages without scrolling in Chrome and Edge web browser for PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So you can use either the Edge web browser or the Chrome web browser, but the tricks will still remain the same. So here I'm gonna use the Chrome web browser. So firstly just open the Chrome or Edge web browser on your respective computer. And in the Google search, search for one application named as Scroll to Top extension. And the first list you'll see one website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. So finally the extension has been added. Now just click on the extension button. Now just click on this pin button. Now it will be pinned. So now you need to close the Chrome or Edge web browser where you have installed this extension. So let me reopen the Chrome web browser. So now you can see on the right bottom corner, you can see one arrow button is showing up. So if I click on this button, it will move directly to the bottom page of the respective web pages. And if you want to move directly to the top of this web page, then just click on this arrow button again. Then it will move directly to the top part of the web pages. So if you want to customize it, then you can just click on this settings icon. And you can do some customization depending upon your needs. So you can see here, when you can see the toolbar icons, you can select the respective icon, whichever icon you want to choose. And below there are more options which you can check out by yourself. So by using this cool application named as Scroll to Top extension, you can easily move to bottom or top of any web pages without scrolling in Chrome and Edge web browser for PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.